Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn what to do when your iPhone 14 keeps turning on and off. Here's the thing. Your iPhone 14 randomly shuts off, turns on itself and repeats the cycle constantly. When your iPhone 14 keeps turning off and back on unexpectedly, it can be due to a dodgy app, software bugs, power issues, low storage, hardware interference and so on. You don't need to put up with it. If your iPhone 14 is still under warranty, it's wise to go to the Apple Store directly and they may repair this issue for free. If not, we'll show you how to fix an iPhone 14 that keeps turning on and off on your own without too much technical knowledge. Keep watching this video and follow the solutions one by one until your phone stops turning on and off. Solution 1. Do a forced restart. This is the simplest fix you can do to stop the on and off cycle. By pressing some buttons combination, you're proactive to restart the device for system refresh and software bug removal. A big tip is that you can try a few more times if it fails once. Here are the steps. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button for a while until you see the Apple logo. Wait for the device to turn on past the Apple logo and load the lock screen. Unlock your device and it should now be back to normal if this trick works. Solution 2. Give the phone more power. Does your phone have enough power? A low battery is also the common explanation of why iPhone 14 randomly shuts down and restarts. So, let the device charge and give it enough power to operate all the settings and apps. Both charging the phone with cord and wireless charger is okay. After around 1 hour, see if you fix iPhone 14 shutting off and turning on repeatedly. Solution 3. Make sure the buttons are not stuck. Buttons are often used to turn on or turn off an iPhone, and so does iPhone 14. So, when your iPhone 14 keeps turning on and off by itself, the buttons may get stuck. To fix it, make sure the volume buttons, power button or home button can be pressed normally. The first step is to take off the phone case. Sometimes it'll make the buttons seem stuck and finally your iPhone 14 turns on and off repeatedly. Secondly, use a soft brush to clean the buttons one by one. The accumulated dirt or debris could prevent the buttons from working properly. Once done, force restart your iPhone 14 and see if it stops turning on and off constantly. Solution 4. Clean the screen. Aside from buttons, an iPhone 14 will also randomly turn off and then turn on through the screen. There is a case that something affects how the screen works normally, rendering it turning on and off on your iPhone 14. It could be the screen protector, a drop of liquid on the screen surface, or other debris. For that, remove the screen protector if you got one. Then, use a dry cloth and wipe clean the display until you make sure there is no dirt on it. Now, do a force restart. If your iPhone 14 still turns on and off by itself repeatedly, move to the next step. Solution 5. Remove the SIM card. This is not a common cause. But if the SIM card inserted on your phone is corrupted, you'll find iPhone 14 turns on and then shuts off at times. Just take it off from the SIM card slot. Take a look to see if it stops your iPhone 14 from turning on and off after the removal. If it is, contact your phone carrier to get more fixes for the corrupted SIM card. Solution 6. Use recovery mode options. Apple's recovery mode options are your final troubleshooting step. It's intending to fix the system-level issues that cause your iPhone 14 to turn on and off repeatedly. For example, an old iOS software version, malware attack, update failure, and so on. We'll introduce you to the detailed instructions. Just walk through them step by step. Open a PC or Mac. Then, install and launch iTunes or Finder that is running its latest version. Apply a cable to connect your iPhone 14 to the computer and put your device into recovery mode while connecting. Quickly press the volume up button then release. Quickly press the volume down button then release. Press the power button and keep holding it for a few seconds. Keep holding the power button even when you see the Apple logo screen. When you see a computer, a USB cable, and a link showing up on a black screen, release the power button. It's a recovery mode screen. Just repeat the steps to enter again if you fail. Once done, go to your computer. Now, iTunes or Finder on your computer can quickly connect to an iPhone in recovery mode. A message dialog box should have popped up, offering Update and Restore 2 buttons. Update button is used to do an update. Restore button is used to do a factory reset. The reset will erase the device, so think twice before you do it. It's always a good move to choose the update button to see if the issue is fixed by installing the latest iOS software. It won't lead to data loss, so feel free to try it. If you still find the iPhone 14 keeps powering on and off after the update, then it may be the time to use the restore button. It'll delete everything, including the culprit that causes the restarting cycle, and then bring the device back to its factory defaults. That's all for how to fix an iPhone 14 that keeps turning on and off itself randomly. If you find this video helps, please give it a thumbs up and share it via Facebook, Twitter, and so on to help others in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.